So we are going to start on subtracting fractions today. And subtracting fractions is very similar to adding fractions in the steps that you take. So just like with adding fractions, the first thing we have to do is check our denominator. Once we know it's the same, we're good to go. So if I were to have this much shaded in and this much shaded in. When I do it with models, first of all, I have to see what's the model showing me. So when I count for my denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I've got 6 as my denominator. That's my total to make a whole, and I have 5 of them. So I'm showing 5 sixths minus, I need to make sure this is sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is, so I'm going to be good to go. 5 sixths minus 3 sixths. The same way when you add, you do not subtract your denominator. The denominator does not change. We just subtract our numerator. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now you might see some, like this next one, where it gives you an improper fraction to subtract from. 14/8 minus 7/8. It's okay. It'll all subtract the same. Denominator is the same here. So my denominator will be 8s. 14 minus 7 is 7. So 14/8 minus 7/8 equals 7/8. 7/16 minus 4/16. My denominator is the same, so I'm good to go. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 7/16 minus 4/16 is 3/16. 59/60 minus 40/60. My denominator is the same, so I'm ready to go. 59 minus 40 is 19/60. So subtracting fractions with models works when they give you the models. Now I wouldn't draw models if you don't need them because it's just as easy to do it without them. But if they give them to you, you can figure out how to solve, figure out what the equation they're showing you is, and you try to make sure your denominator is the same, and make sure you're subtracting from left to right like we always do math.